Hi everyone, welcome to asknehru Angular tutorial series. In my previous video, I have explained about the control flow, if, else if and else. Now in this video, I am going to explain about switch, case and default. Okay, so without a further delay, I jump right into the code. Okay, I go here. So this is the already existing control flow. Now my application is running on here. So I want to show you. Yes, here it is running on. So when I click this, there are a list of components. I click the control flow where we are going to work on. So this is related to if and else if. I'm not going to delete it. This is for your reference. You can take it from my Angular GitHub repository. So here I have Angular lessons. So from here you can take the reference. Okay, so that's fine. Now I go here and here I create one HR tag. So it will create a line. So in the middle. Okay, so it's created line in the middle. So below that we will do operations of switch. Okay, that is control flow switch. So for that I go here and I create a switch statement at switch. Okay, so when I create at switch, see guys, it is asking for, it is throwing an error because we have to give something here. Okay, for now I give a variable named as age, and within the scope, I mean it's a block scope, so I give at case. So within the case we give 16 in the beginning. Within that I give one element. The element is you are under 16. That means is you are under 16. Okay, you are 16. So not eligible for vote. Okay, not eligible for vote. It is throwing error. Don't worry. We declare this in the TypeScript file. The TypeScript file, I create another variable in the class. Name is age and the data type is number. And initially I set the value something 16. Okay, I set the value 16 so that it will match. So what this will do guys, I give it 16 and the variable is 16. It is actually going to do exact equal. Exactly equal means in the JavaScript you may know about triple equal. What this triple equal do? It will check both data type and also the value. Okay, so it will check for the data type and value. If it is exactly matching, then it will render this particular element. Okay, and we can take another case, and you see I created immediately with the help of Codium, but you can type manually as well. So next case is 18. You are 18, so eligible for vote. Okay, and default is you are not eligible for vote. That means if it is undefined, instead of giving this, we can say, are you eligible for voting? We can make a question so that it is logical question. Okay, so 3 cases we have, and we can create one more case. For example, above 19. Okay, we can have 19. So here also we copy the same. Okay, that's all guys. So let's see what is happening in the result. Okay, so in the result you are 16, so not eligible for vote is printed. Okay, I remove this one. Now guys, actually I want to separate the window by clicking this. There is a option here, split editor. So I split the editor and hide this one so that I can have both TS file and HTML. So here we have TS, I mean the TypeScript component, and here we have, so that I can randomly pass the value. Now here I pass 18. When I pass 18 and save it, see the result. You are 18, so eligible for vote. And I change it to 19 because 19 is there. You are 19, so eligible for vote. Then I give some random value, guys. For example, 20 I give. So when I give 20, you see, are you eligible for vote? See, although we have given 20, 20 is eligible, but now we don't have that exact matching context. Therefore, it doesn't render that. So in order to overcome this, we also handle some other trick. Okay. So what is that trick? So instead of give age here, I give true. When I give true, it is throwing error. Don't worry. Here we say age. Age is less than 18 we can give. Less than 18. Okay. Age is okay. The given age is is less than 18 means you are not eligible. Okay. We can give you are not eligible for vote. Okay. Here we change that context because it has to be according to it. Age is greater than or equal to 18, you are eligible for vote. Okay. Then we give another scenario. Okay. For example, we give default. Okay. Only 3 conditions, guys. One is above 18, greater than or equal to 18, or default. Okay. If you don't give anything, it will go to default. That's it, guys. You see, guys, you are eligible for vote. See, 20 is given. So 20 is greater than 18. Therefore, you are eligible for vote is printed. Okay. If I give 16, what will happen? You see, guys, you are not eligible for vote. Okay, because it goes here, because this age is below 16, it goes like this. So similarly, we can handle complex scenarios. Not only this, guys, we can also handle other primitive data types like null, boolean, and we can say what is that? String. String also we can handle. So let's handle some string value, guys. So instead of having this, I create one more switch case. So it will be nice. Okay. I create one more switch case. I don't want to delete the same. So in the switch case, I give the variable name. The variable name is simple employee. Okay. Employee. Then we have to create a variable called employee. Okay. This employee is not an object. It's a string data type. Okay. Initially, I would say admin. Okay. And in the switch case, the case I give case is admin. Okay, guys. So it says admin. Admin is allowed. Admin is allowed to see the content. Okay, guys. Then I create another case where I will say admin user. Okay. So what message we can give? User is allowed to see the content. Okay. If someone else, okay, we can say guest is not allowed to okay, guest is not allowed, and default we say no one is allowed to see the content. No, okay, we can give some other value. Sign in, login to see the content. Okay, login to see the content. Okay, login to see the content. So these are the 4 cases we have. So what happens here? I save it, and here I make one more HR tag. Okay, See guys, admin is allowed to see the content is given here. And if I give user, you see guys, user is allowed to see the content. If I give guest, guest is not allowed to see the content. And if you give something random, see guys, login to see the content, but that because it is not at all matching here. So these are the three different scenarios we can handle. We can render the template, and also we can render the even components as well. If you have component reference, I mean the selectors, you can render that as well based on the value. So this value can be from here, this hard-coded value, this can be from database also. Okay, so in this way you can render the content dynamically in your UI. Okay, so this switch is really powerful, but remember this has to match exactly, otherwise we have to make it true and give our complex operations within the case, so that if this true and this true matches, then it will give the particular element or component. Okay, that's it guys for this video. I request you to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and also hit the like button, and also give some appreciation in the comment or give any feedback, so that it really encourages me to give more content like this. Thank you so much. I meet you in the next video. Bye.